Tameer-e-Pakistan, Episode 4, Islamabad Journal. Islamabad was specifically designed to serve as the capital of the newly formed nation of Pakistan following the partition of British India in 1947. Faisal Mosque. Completed in 1986, Faisal Mosque is the largest mosque in Pakistan. It is influenced by traditional Islamic design, which makes it a prominent symbol of Islamabad. Parliament House. Also known as the National Assembly Building, it was completed in 1986. The building's design reflects Islamic architectural elements and serves as the center of Pakistan's parliament activities. Pakistan's monument. This iconic structure was inaugurated in 2007 to symbolize the 4 provinces of Pakistan and the 3 territories of Pakistan. Supreme Court of Pakistan. The majestic building of the Supreme Court was inaugurated in 2005. It showcases a blend of Islamic and modern architecture and holds immense importance in the country's judicial system. Stay tuned for episode 5.